In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up typography using Figma plugins. If you've ever spent too long nudging font sizes or building styles one at a time, this workflow will help you move faster while staying consistent and professional. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can apply everything directly to your current frame or file. We'll begin by generating a solid type scale. Instead of guessing sizes, use a modular approach so every step relates to a base size. Press Ctrl-K, search for type scales, and open the plugin. Set your base size, often your intended body text size, and choose a scaling ratio, like the golden ratio or major third. Then set the multiplier. Type scales will instantly create a complete set of text layers for headings, subheads, and body text based on those values. This gives you a harmonious, repeatable system you can trust across your design. With those layers ready, turn them into official Figma text styles without repetitive clicks. Install and run Text Styles Generator. This plugin converts multiple text layers into local styles at once, using each layer's name. Before you run it, rename your layers clearly, things like H1, H2, subtitle, body or large, body or small, so your generated styles are organized and readable for you and your team. Next, keep your typography clean across the file. Install and run Bulk Typography Manager. It scans your selection or entire frame to find inconsistent font properties like mismatched line heights, letter spacing, or rogue weights and lets you fix them quickly. This is especially helpful when merging components from different sources or cleaning up after exploration. When it's time to choose or pair fonts, stop scrolling endlessly through the default dropdown. Install and run Font Preview. It shows a visual overview of the fonts in your library so you can compare styles with your actual content. This makes it easier to evaluate readability, contrast, and personality before you commit. Now refine and document your work. Run Text Prettier to automatically fix common typography issues like non-breaking spaces, EM dashes, and hanging punctuation. It's a fast way to elevate polish, especially for longer content or UI copy. Finally, generate a clear reference for handoff. Run Typography Style Guide to instantly create a dedicated page that displays all your local text styles in a clean, developer-friendly layout. This keeps your system transparent and reduces back and forth during implementation. Put together, these plugins turn hours of manual setup into a streamlined, repeatable process. Build your scale with TypeScales, convert with Text Styles Generator, clean with Bulk Typography Manager. Explore with Font Preview, refine with Text Prettier, and document with Typography Style Guide. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.